Okay, my friends, so about a month or so ago, I had a problem with my MacBook Pro. It's a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro, and it just wouldn't start. So I didn't know what the problem was. I was a little concerned that it could be something fairly serious. Took it into the shop to get it looked at, and the hard drive was done, I guess. I was looking at a $1,200 repair because of all the stuff that they supposedly had to change to be able to get this back and working again. I didn't do that, and I ended up buying a brand new MacBook Pro, which cost me about $4,000. But I was going to be buying one of these this fall anyway, so it kind of pushed the date up. So not huge, but it did push the date up to current, which I didn't really want to do yet, but it happened, and that's what it is. But I went online and heard a lot of people say that this could be done yourself and that it wasn't hard at all. So I went on to OWC, I believe it is, and I bought myself a replacement hard drive. Cost me about $129 US, which is really good, along with the actual tools, so the little screwdrivers that you need to get this fixed. It is here, right here. It is here, right here. It is in my hands. It has arrived. It took a little bit of time coming into Canada. You could get it expedited. I didn't, because I was going to be on holidays, so I figured it'll arrive when it gets here. Whatever. There it is. Here's my laptop. It don't work. Let's see if we can make it work, shall we? Let's see. Alright, so what is in this bag? First off, what is in here? I'm hoping a solid state drive and some tools. This is what I'm hoping. It says that, and I'm hoping I ordered the right thing. That's the second one. In here, we have my little receipt thing. We have the two needed screwdrivers. You guys can see that right there. These are the two needed ones, I guess. And here is the, I'm gonna go down. I'm going down from 512 to 480, but I also went from having to spend $1,200 down to not $1,200 to $129, which is way better. Well, it came up to about 150 because I bought the tools, so whatever. All right, so this is what I'm supposed to have to do. These screws back here come out. Yes? Sure. So I'm gonna do that. We'll fast forward that for you guys. I don't know which of these I'm gonna need, but it's happening. One of these. I don't know which. Probably that one. Okay, so number one, as far as I can see, all the screws are the same size, so that shouldn't be a big concern. This just, as far as I know, just kind of pops off, just like that. You know, from the back, just kind of pop it off. I'm gonna put this over here. Put that screwdriver there. Should be this one now. Hard drive on here. Just take a look at this. Is this right here? So this is the hard drive. And there's just one little tiny screw right there. We'll open this just so this is open, because I guess that's important. Don't knock my screws on the floor. Alright, so let's take this out. Alright, so out this comes, and this just slides out. Comes out, just kind of remember, you can see these are the bigger than smaller. It's going to only fit in one way. We'll pop this over here. We are gonna take this, so this is the new one. Now you can get these. I just got a 480. You can, and I kind of wish I spent a little bit more money because I could have put a terabyte in here for not a whole lot more. So just realize that's an option as well. So this, though, nice and simply, gonna go in here. Just gonna slide that back in, right? So that lines up there. Get this fella. Hardest part I think now is getting this just in there. Maybe that went in actually nice and easy. Snug that in. Make sure I got the right one. I don't want to strip that. That's like, it's not any harder than that. $1,200 they were gonna charge me to do that. $1,200. So I'm gonna take this. We're gonna put all these screws back. Yeah. Don't lose your screws. It's the other kind of important part. Just so you know too, when you order, if you do this, I keep saying that, if you do this, you do have the option, again, like I said, to get a bigger hard drive, and if you really want to, there's an option to get faster hard drives. So the standard hard drive that came in these, the 2015s, was pushing about 600 megabits per second, but you can get new ones from these guys. Again, you pay a little bit more, but I believe they'll do like 12 to 1500 megabits per second, so a lot faster. Anyways, this is out. Yeah, okay, I'm going to flip this over. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna crack this open all the way back, like that, okay? I couldn't get past the Apple logo. I couldn't get it to install. I couldn't do any of that kind of stuff. So the key now is seeing if, for one, this will boot and if I can install anything. So let's hold Option when we do this, maybe. Choose network. Let's choose network. Internet recovery. Okay. So far, this is farther than I've pretty much ever gotten. So we're gonna speed a whole bunch of this part up for you guys. It's coming in about 8 minutes, so I'm gonna just kind of hang out. You guys, it'll be faster for you. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and we'll be back once this is ready. Did I save myself $1,000 or did I waste 150? Apple logo, it's coming up. Things are happening. Good things are happening. Never got this far for sure. Oh, I think I saved myself $1,000, over $1,000. Okay, I'm gonna pause this right here. We're gonna pause. I'm gonna go get my time machine back up and we're gonna see if we can restore. All right, 2 secs, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab that. All right, so got my hard drive here, right here, so you guys can just see it up there, hopefully. Plugged in my time machine. Had to actually do a current backup just to make sure that everything's gonna come across to this fine. We'll do restore from time machine backup. All right, so to restore your computer, blah, blah, blah. Yep, select. Hopefully this starts lighting up, hopefully. 636, sure, let's do that one. Select the disk where you want to restore the system. Now I don't know if I had to do anything to this disk. That's the other thing, right? So it's searching, so we'll find out in a second. Won't let this go too far, but we'll find out in a second if there's anything I may have had to do. If this doesn't work for whatever reason, we may just try to do a clean install and then just do a migration to see if that works. It's not seeing that internal drive, so why is it not? All right, I'm gonna look this up and we'll be right back. All right, 2 more secs. Okay, fear not, don't panic. Don't do any of it. A simple restart and everything showed up fine. So we are in the process now of restoring. So I don't know why it didn't see the internal disk, but it didn't. But after, like I said, just a reboot, we're good. 44 minutes. And I don't think you guys want to stare at this for 44 minutes. So 45 minutes. So I'm gonna go watch a movie and come back after it's done and see if it's a win. But so far it looks good. So far it looks good. Okay, so it's been about an hour and I'm back and I've got this screen up. Let's just log in. Password. First login after a time machine restore. Fingers crossed. Okay, putting in the Apple ID password. Oh, getting myself a code coming up. Hold on. Okay, so I had to put in a verification 2-step code, so that's all good. Enter this code here. Pretty sure it's that. And I think we're good. I think we're good. Setting up my Mac. Excellent. And voila. All working again. $129 versus $1,200 that Apple was going to charge me. So this seems better. Not hard. Got all the tools from I think it was OWC. There you go. Let's just do a quick real fast. See if I can do this. Speed test. Just real quick, just to see what this drive is doing. My other drive was getting around 500 to 600. Let's do one of these. Look at that. Actually, maybe even faster. 900. My right, and reads 12. So this is actually a faster drive than I had in it before. That's a little bit of all right. A little bit of all right. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop you there. So if you ever have problems with your hard drive on a 2015 or previous, now on the 2016s and newer, their drives are physically soldered into the logic board, so you can't do this. But on the 215s and earlier, you can. So as you can see here, a nice inexpensive fix compared to the over $1,000 they were going to charge me to fix this. All right, if you like this, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll be back with more review videos coming up shortly. And that's it. All right, my friends, I'm going to leave you there. Next video coming up in a day or two. All right, later.